Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You have the presentation open and a target selected. Now act. First, confirm whether you want a web URL, a file, an email address, or a slide-to-slide jump. Once decided, highlight the text or click the image or shape so PowerPoint knows what to link. Make sure the object is not locked or grouped in a way that prevents linking. If you plan to link to another slide, note its number. When ready, move to the Insert menu to add the hyperlink. Once in the Insert Link dialog, choose the appropriate link type: address for web links, email for mail-to, existing file for documents, or place in this document for slides. Then paste the URL or type the email address including subject if desired. For files, use Browse to locate the file path. For internal slides, pick the slide number and optional screen tip. Make sure the display text reads clearly for viewers, and then click OK to apply. After applying, to finish, run slide show mode and click the linked object to confirm it opens the correct destination. This verifies behavior for viewers. If styling matters, edit the link text format or apply a consistent hyperlink color so it's noticeable. For accessibility, add a screen tip describing the link action. If the link doesn't work, pause and verify the URL spelling. Ensure any linked file is included with the presentation, or double-check internal slide numbers. Then update the hyperlink and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.